The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall.
Man, shoot you. Shot man, I want to play shot man. I want to lose the life service police officer. I want to lose the life shot man. Leave the man alone. Shot man, where are you? Where are the shot man? Where are you? I don't want to lose the life. Come on, let's kill the shot man. Bigger police. Easy. Mean it. Lord, the shot man. Shot man, where are you? Where are the shot man? Shot man, where are you? What do you want to do? Where are the shot man?
Shot man, you play like
shot man, you're a hero.
Shot man, you're easy. You're easy. I rate you for easy, dog. Oh, yeah, come on, You see that boy, man? You say, yo, call, we are call. You have to go left watch, remember me tell her that. So you take a bumper clot, man, for cool on. A man should have slapped one in your blood clot face. A real thing. That boy, they fi move. That boy, they fi move.
Oh, you know you use the man.
You have to get science.
You have to man of the police. You know what I'm doing?
I'm Samite. Then him no know Simon I police, all the man son of police.
Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Yeah. Now I saw this video out on social media and the first thing I said is like, how often I've seen videos where police officers and citizens have somewhat of a dispute or something, you know? Now, I just showed you a video that is out on social media that shows of police and citizens having a disagreement again. Only difference is that this video, you know, shows of something that has a different little twist, you know, and I'm going to explain to you based on how I understand as to what has been said in the video. Now, please bear in mind that what I'm telling you is based on what I've heard in the video, right? And what I heard in the video, to my understanding, it would seem as if it's a police officer that is in uniform trying to detain another police officer that is not in uniform. Alright? I don't know if the person is off duty or retired or whatsoever. I don't know the person's status as a police officer, but according to what has been said in the video, it would seem as if the person that the police in uniform is trying to detain is a police officer as well. Now, this video is out on social media where some people are saying Jamaica is unlawful and, you know, Jamaica people need to, you know, cooperate with police officers and so forth, you know, while other persons are saying different things, like they are saying that sometimes police officers need to listen to their citizens and other things as well. That's what I'm saying to you. But viewers and subscribers, I just bring it to you so that you can have a look at it, you know, and you can also tell me what you think. You see what I'm saying to you? And I just give you my thought or my understanding from the video, right? Like I said, it would seem as if this is a police officer that is in uniform, that is trying to detain another police officer that is out of uniform. That's what it seems like to me. You understand? Yeah. So the question is right about now, could it be true that the person is actually a police officer for real? And what do you think about the conduct of the citizens during this whole dispute that was going on between the police officer and the other person, you know, that would seems to be a police officer? You understand? Yeah. All right. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, this is where we leave it. You don't know me Dancehall Skilla. Me keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I want. And I want to say big up and respect to each and every one of my viewers and subscribers. Alright? So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?